Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 30th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday after so far, but it's a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to take a look at the lower 48 and the tropical weather outlook as well. We're going to start off in the tropics here. As you can see, we got a tropical wave here. Got another tropical wave here off the South American coast and also Mexico coast as well. Another one here across Central America. Scattered activity across South America, the MDR region. Got one little system there. The Saharan dust is kind of preventing it from becoming anything. Got a cold frontal boundary in Atlantic tropical waters from the north central tropical Atlantic down in toward the Bahamas. A little bit of activity over portions of Cuba, also portions of Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, and also up towards the Arizona, also New Mexico region to Colorado, also over toward Washington, Oregon State and Idaho region, also down toward Louisiana, the northern Gulf, back over toward the Carolinas, Mid-Atlantic region, portions of the Michigan region, and also over toward the northeastern U.S. as well. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we got some critical fire weather for portions of Arizona, Utah, and also portions of Colorado. Then we got flash flooding and heavy rain for portions of eastern Virginia, D.C., Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island. Then we got thunderstorms and showers for the Atlantic coastal waters stretching down to the Florida Keys, including Georgia, all the way up to portions of New Hampshire, New York State, Ohio, to Indiana, to Louisiana, the northern Gulf, to Texas, to New Mexico, Arizona, northwestern Mexico, to the Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming, Washington, Oregon State, Idaho region, and along the U.S.-Canadian border as well. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, here's a look at your Friday forecast. You can see we got some heavy rain, flash flooding over portions of North Carolina, South Carolina, and the Outer Banks. Thunderstorms and showers for the Atlantic coastal waters from up here in New Massachusetts to South Carolina to Florida Keys, Atlantic, also the Gulf of Northern Gulf, to Texas, to Arkansas, to Alabama, to New Mexico, all the way up to the Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming, Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and also southwestern portions of areas of Canada. Otherwise, make dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're located across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some heat advisories up here in portions of New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Boston, Connecticut, New York State, Pennsylvania, to around the Rhode Island, Maryland area as well. Some flash flooding, heavy rain also in portions of Washington, D.C. and also portions of Northern Virginia. And then we got some flash flood warnings, also flood advisory for eastern portion of Kentucky, southwestern portion of Virginia. Also, we got more heat advisories for portions of West Virginia to Ohio, to Kentucky, to Tennessee, to southern South Carolina, Georgia, much of Florida, to Alabama, Louisiana, to Texas, all the way up to Oklahoma, Kansas, also in the Missouri, Arkansas, over to Illinois, Indiana. You got excessive heat warnings, portion of West Virginia, southern Ohio, northeastern areas of Kentucky, southern Indiana, Illinois, to Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, and also Mississippi, also southern portions of Arizona. We got some air quality alert for a couple counties in Ohio, excuse me. Also in the portions of Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota. And then we got some flood warning, flooded watches also in effect for portions of Iowa. Hydro issues over northern portion of Missouri. Also in the portions of Montana, 4 flood watches for portions of Montana, Idaho, Colorado, North Texas, also portions of areas of New Mexico. Got some flash flood warnings there as well, stretching into portion of Colorado. Got some red flag warnings there in portion of northwest Colorado, to Utah, to areas of Nevada. Also in the portions of Idaho, northern California, Washington, Oregon State. Heat advisories there as well, and also some hydro issues over portions of Montana. We got smoke crack advisory, gale warning from southern California to Oregon State, and also around the Hawaii chain island, and also around the Alaska region as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Thursday. We got a slight risk up here. I mean, a marginal risk from Pittsburgh to Philadelphia, Washington D.C., and also Baltimore area. Then from portions of Denver up to Casper. General thunderstorms elsewhere from Washington State to California, Nevada to Texas to Carolinas, all the way up to portions of Pennsylvania. Tornado probability looks like this. Less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds. Uh, 5% over here in portions of Colorado, Wyoming. Up here around Pittsburgh to Philadelphia, Washington D.C. area. Large hail. Pretty much just portion around Casper, Wyoming, down toward Denver, Colorado. Alright, day 3, just pretty much general thunderstorms. Alright, up here from Washington State to Nevada to the Dakotas, Texas, Florida, all the way up to Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh area. Carolina, you're included. Also Tennessee, Arkansas, just general thunderstorms expected. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar now from Columbia, South Carolina. We're going to take a look at it. You can see some activity over here around Fairfield County, Lancaster County, Orangeburg County, over toward around the Kingstree area, Williamsburg County. Also over here around Statesboro to southeast Georgia. More activity from Greenwood to Greenville to Spartanburg, west of Charlotte, up here around Hickory. A little bit in western North Carolina, and some scattered activity elsewhere in central Georgia, and there could be a few more showers and storms, but most of them should begin to start kind of slowly dissipating as the sun sets, but cannot rule out a shower or storm anywhere overnight as well, and again into your Thursday. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one, so have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.